Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Freshsales to route LinkedIn leads correctly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your Freshsales account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the bottom left corner. Select the Integrations tab from the menu. Look for the LinkedIn integration option and click on it. You will see a prompt to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect button to initiate the authorization process. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. You may be asked to grant permission for Freshsales to access your. Review the permissions and click on Allow to continue. After successful authorization, return to the Freshsales window. Confirm that your LinkedIn account is now connected by checking its status in the integrations list. Next, configure how you want LinkedIn leads to be routed in Freshsales. Select criteria such as lead source, status, and assignment rules as per your preference. Once you finish configuring your settings, click Save to apply the changes. You should now be able to route LinkedIn leads correctly in Freshsales. To ensure everything is set up properly, create a test lead through LinkedIn. Monitor the leads flow into Freshsales to verify the integration is working. If you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings for adjustments. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Freshsales to route LinkedIn leads correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.